ready to transform that audio chaos into a masterpiece. In this video, we're diving into Audacity to master the art of trimming audio, turning those rough recordings into polished gems in just a few simple steps. First, open Audacity and import your audio file by dragging it into the interface or by going to File, then Import, then Audio. Once loaded, zoom in using the Zoom tool or the shortcut Ctrl1 to get a closer look at your waveform. Now, grab the selection tool. It looks like an I-beam. Click and drag across the section of audio you want to remove. This highlights the audio you're about to edit. To cut out the selected audio, hit the Cut button, which resembles a pair of scissors, or press Ctrl+X. Boom. Gone. Often, you'll have unwanted silence at the beginning or end. Select that quiet section with the selection tool. Instead of cutting, you can also press the Delete key on your keyboard. This removes the highlighted audio, closing the gap automatically. For fine-tuning, use the Zoom tool to zoom in super close to your waveform. This helps you make super precise selections for perfect edits. If you need to move audio clips around, select the Time Shift tool. It looks like a double-headed arrow. Click and drag your clip left or right to reposition it. Once you're happy with your trimmed audio, export it. Go to File, then Export, and choose your desired audio format, like MP3 or WAV. Give it a name, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed your audio in Audacity. Now go out there and create some audio magic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Audacity tutorials.